Hey there, it's Brandon Fields, Old Bones Therapy. I'm here today to show you guys all about our knee ice wrap. So let's go ahead and just unbox this bad boy. All right. The knee ice wrap is made out of neoprene. It has a nice little pouch on the inside that is able to hold an ice or heat pack. So we ship this knee ice wrap. It comes with a gel pack. You can just slide it right into the pouch and it'll keep your knee super nice and cold because this neoprene acts as insulation for the gel pack, and that thing will stay super cold for like 30 minutes, no problem. So anyhow, it's a super simple brace, 3 straps on it. I just throw it on my knee. You can wear it over your pants, under clothes. You can wear shorts and just put it right on your skin. It's fine. So you just use the middle strap first, put it on like right where you want it, and then just adjust the other straps how tight you want it. And there you go, voila. It's got a hole right here where the patella goes. It'll hold your kneecap really securely in place. It should stay up on you. You should be able to wear it, walk around, have no problems with it. So that's it. Old Bones Therapy, keeping you active and ruling at life.